Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Great car, guys, and that's really kind of exactly how I would describe it. This is just a good car. Factory color combo. This is lime green metallic. They've added the white heavy Chevy stripe down the side. It's not a heavy Chevy, so we just added the striping. White vinyl top. It's got the factory dark Jade interior, and just a really good Chevelle. Car was actually original Van Nuys, California built car. I can tell you by the paperwork that we have in it that it spent some time in the state of Washington, also spent some time in the state of Idaho, and then a buddy of mine down in Tennessee is the one who got this car for me. But just a good, honest, straight Chevelle, guys. I think this car has all the original body panels. I think it's had one repaint, has a matching numbers 350 engine in it, original trans. There's just a lot that I really like about the car. Very different color that really jumps out. Super cool set of wheels. Those are 8-inch American Racing torque thrust on the front. It's got 10-inch on the rear, and really just a good car. I'm not sure what you can see the emblems on the side. The Malibu, the 350 Malibu. Obviously, those are factory emblems. I don't know what that package got. I'm just being dead honest here. We've been here for 42 years, and I can't say I've ever seen that. But again, good, solid, straight car. One thing I can tell you, you can get in there and turn the key and drive it wherever you want to go. Just outstanding running and driving car. Pretty car. A couple little things you can nitpick. There's a little stone, touch-up marks. Original grille. A lot of this car is original. Some of the stuff's been restored. Some of the stuff's original. I believe that's the original front bumper on it. It can, it shows a little wear to it. Original bumperettes. Very, very nice car. Pretty paint. I wish we had some sunshine on it. This color really pops in the sun. They've replaced the front windshield. The rest is a factory soft ray tinted glass. You can see the dash in there is nice. Vinyl top's in great shape, and you can see the glass is nice. You can see some little marks in it. Fits very nice. All your stainless and trim in the car is nice. Original back window, it's got some little scratches in it. But really, just a good car. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Again, original color, it's had one repaint, but I believe the door jams, the trunk jam, and some of the interior jams, or I'm sorry, not interior, the engine compartment jams, I think it's got the original paint on it. This rear bumper, it might be original as well. You can see the car's nice and straight down the sides. I love the wheels and tires on it. Look at the meats underneath that thing. The car's got a good, aggressive muscle car stance. I put the cowbell tips on it, the Chevelle chrome tips. Really just a good car. We've got the owner's manuals for it. Like I say, we've got some receipts, and not a ton of receipts, but a couple little receipts in there that show the different places it's kind of been, some different registrations. Nitto tires all the way around. Again, those are 10-inch American Racing torque thrust 2s on the rear, 8-inch on the front. I like the heavy Chevy stripe. If you don't like it, it is removable. Again, these are original. I can't tell you what that, I tried to do a little research here online. I didn't really see anything on it. Front disc brakes. I like the 71 front marker lights. Car just looks good. Again, matching numbers 350, Edelbrock 4-barrel. They've added an Edelbrock aluminum intake. Stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Original 350 turbohydramatic trans. Does have an HEI distributor. Chrome air cleaner. Finned aluminum valve covers. And again, when you look in here, I think that's original. I think the paint in the jams is actually original. Good car, really good car. And like I say, hits the road outstanding. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you really like this car. Dual seam vinyl top, it's in great shape. Here's nice. Again, get some little light scratching in the glass. I wouldn't change it, leave it alone. It's factory soft ray glass. I'd say these are original too. I believe those door rubbers are original. The engine now has been gone through. It's got hardened valve seats in it, so it runs on pump gas. I believe this is your original paint in the jams. I think this is all the original interior. The only thing I have done is I've ordered a set of floor mats for it, and unfortunately they haven't come in yet. Original sill plates. It's got all the original seat belts in it. Factory bench seat. Sport steering wheel, that's definitely new. This is a factory dash showing 20,467. I'm assuming that's 120. They put an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, not a big gear or anything like that. Again, original rubber stripping here, and I think this is all your original paint in the jam. The original VINs are still on the quarters. Factory jack with the bias ply spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, we've got the original owner's manuals. There's some receipts and previous registrations to the car. I wish we had some sunshine on this thing because it's pretty. That color pops. Nice and clean underneath. I got it up on the hoist. Took some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Jordy's actually put 10-12 miles on this car, and he said, man, it's just a good driver. You can see the gauges are nice, dash is real nice. Go ahead, Jordy, you can fire it up. Just a little cam to it, you can hear it. Nothing crazy. HEI distributor. It's kind of brightening up out here. Maybe we're gonna get some sun out here. Really just a fuel gauge in there. Backup lights work. Just a good car, man. No, the radio works, blower motor works. doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355.